Namaste, Khusro Betia. I, Zabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, and welcome you all in my session. And this session is all about why no SQL only. Right, so let's start. Why no SQL? The concept of NoSQL databases became popular with internet giants like Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc., who deals with huge volume of data. The system which response time becomes slow when you use RDBMS for massive volumes of data. That means we can't use SQL type of database management system for huge amount of data. And in this era, technology based, everything is important, that is called data. Facebook, Amazon, Google, which generates large amount of data, and they have not sufficient schema for storing this type of data. That's why they are using NoSQL. So to resolve this problem, we could scale up our system by upgrading our existing hardware. This process is expensive, but the alternative for this issue is to distribute a database load on multiple hosts whenever the load increases. This method is known as scaling out. So scale up vertical scaling means more RAM, more CPU, more SSD. And scale out horizontal scaling means commodity hardware like your server. Right, so this kind of method which can increase the host database, and it can distribute the database load. So NoSQL database is non-relational, so it scales out better than relational database as they are designed with the web applications in mind. So it is beneficial because it is not as designed on the basis of relational database, so it is easy to scale up. Right, here is some history of NoSQL database. So it start from 1998, and 2009 the term NoSQL was introduced. In before 2009, that is called that is known as different names, like Google Bigtable is launched, Couch database is launched, the research paper on Amazon Dynamo is released, Facebook open source the Cassandra project also. This type of name is known before the NoSQL. So here is the some features of NoSQL, like non-relational means NoSQL database never follow the relational model. It never provides tables with flat fixed columns record. It works with the self-contained aggregate or blobs. It does not require object relational mapping and data normalization. There is no complex features like query language, query planners, referential integrity, and join and asset. It is also free from schema. NoSQL databases are either schema free or have relaxed schemas. It do not require any sort of definition of the schema of the data. It offers heterogeneous structure of data in the same domain. In RDBMS, like select, we use some methodology to retrieve the data from the database. That therefore we design the schema and select some primary key, and then also super key, and then we can get the data from the database. But no SQL database, this type of methodology is not used. It is implicit schema, it works only key. Right, so this